In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Kicking Bullish, quick and easy. We'll be doing this inside Tradingview, so make sure you're logged in and you've got a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. What matters is that you're looking at a regular candlestick chart so you can clearly see the pattern once we add it. First, let's bring up the indicator menu. At the top of your Tradingview screen, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button labelled Indicators. It's usually near the center of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the built-in indicators, strategies, and community scripts are stored, and it's where we'll find the Kicking Bullish pattern. Once the indicator window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search field and type the word Kicking. You don't need to type the full name, just Kicking is enough for Tradingview to filter the results. As you type, you'll notice a list of options appearing below, including candlestick patterns that match your search. From the list that appears, look for Kicking Bullish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator that highlights bullish kicking formations directly on your chart. When you see Kicking Bullish in the search results, simply click on it once. After you click, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart, and you should start seeing markers or highlights wherever that pattern appears in your price data. If the pattern doesn't show up right away, don't worry. It may be that your current section of price action doesn't contain a Kicking Bullish pattern. You can zoom out or scroll left and right on your chart to see if it has appeared in historical data. Also, make sure your chart is set to a candlestick view. Some indicators rely on candle structure and won't be visible on other chart types like line charts. At this point, the Kicking Bullish indicator is active, and you can hover over the marks it creates to see more details. You can also open the indicator's settings by hovering over its name in the top left of the chart and clicking the settings icon in case you want to adjust colors or visibility. Finally, if you're enjoying Tradingview and want more features like additional indicators per chart, more alerts, or faster data, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel and unlocks more powerful tools for your trading.